it's me, Vooks Animation Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Vooks, because some people don't know how to draw him, and failed. So, let's get on to it. So first, we'll need dark blue, right now, so then you have to draw a square. But first, if you're on paper, you have to use pencil for this, since you're going to need to erase some lines. And also, you need to draw the circle right here, so you could make it rounder. We'll do that for the other ones too. Oof, ow. I'm gonna do that again. Sorry for that. I'm just having a sneezy thing. Also, I'm just watching some Joseph Imaginary Family, but I had the volume down, so no interruptions. That's good. Alright. I'm at the COVID-19 lol. Okay. Sorry if there's notifications gonna be popping up in this video, because I have a lot of notifications and just whatever. Then you have to erase these lines on your paper. If you're using pencil, that's good. And also, you might need some blue paper for the text. And if you want to make the figure or something, you can. But, oof. It's kind of boring with no sound. Does sometimes. You get used to it. Yeah. Look at there, there's no interruptions for me. So I'm just me peacefully drawing Vooks. Alright, we're almost done with this side, so then we're gonna erase the other circles, but yeah. So we have to erase them like this. So yeah, oof. Alright. There. Now that you have this, you kind of want to make it like this, but yeah, you need to make a kind of rectangle-y square thing, and then you kind of need this color. Wait, that's actually kind of not right, because usually it looks like this. I mean, whatever. But then you're going to, well, wait. Don't do that first. You need to do the white first if you're on paper. Since it's gonna be shiny, duh. Alright. Then you'll have to color it in again. Then you got your shape. But now you have to draw, put the word Vooks. So don't put books since it's books. It's basically a website where you just read books. Yeah. So then you have to like do it like this. If you just draw your own way, but yeah, this is how it. Do I have a clip? Because I don't want to do it on paper. Paper. Yeah. Then you have to do the eye patch too, but yeah, let me show you how to do it. So basically you need black. So you have to draw the square one. Sorry. Sneeze alert there. Oof. Sneeze alerts. Okay. So now we have to like this Vanessa Vaughn does like this, but I don't do that anymore. I do it like somewhere else. So people that are watching this video just don't do that, because that's my original eye patch. So you have to do it like that, like original eye patches. And also you need, oh yeah, I forgot, you can't color this in yet, but I actually made a mistake. So what you want to do is put out the white if you want, and then you have to draw a square in that. Just don't color it in, okay? Because it's what I usually use gray. So then you have to erase these lines, and oof, you're not done yet. Just put the face, but also just add legs to it. Oh God. Oh, that sucks. I have to sneeze. Okay. Just make sure it's BFB styled like this, if you want. I usually do, okay, like this. So then you have to like surround this, and then you have to put it like this, or you could just use your pens. And then you have to just draw the circle. Oof. For the eye, if you want, you could do other kinds of eyes for BFB, and then you could add a mouth. And yeah, that's how you draw Vooks. Yeah. Also, this is the called blue wallpaper. Okay. That I was using for, yeah. So yeah. Bye everyone. Yeah, I'm just gonna end